Hello, my name is Angel Vega. I'm the Head of Water Services Supervisor here at Tucson Water. We perform water audits and provide conservation advice to our customers. Once a landscape is installed, it can be easy for homeowners to neglect their irrigation system. Over time, leaks can arise and eventually lead to more expensive water bills. Many of these irrigation issues can be avoided by adhering to simple maintenance routine, which can help you significantly reduce water loss. Having a working supply valve is critical to isolate your system if you ever find the need to do so. At least 2 times per year, make sure to exercise the manual shut-off valve to ensure that it is working properly. This would also be a good time to inspect and clean out irrigation Y filters. Over time, normal use and exposure to the elements can degrade your system. We often see emitters loosen due to fluctuations in water pressure, damage to emitters from pets or wildlife, and breaks in polyline and spaghetti tubing. To ensure that your system is free of leaks, we recommend conducting a quarterly walkthrough inspection. Manually run each zone for at least 10 minutes, allowing your system to fully pressurize. Then conduct an efficiency walkthrough by inspecting water lines, sprinkler heads, emitters, and valve boxes. To help you identify leaks, look for overly saturated areas and overgrown weeds or vegetation. Make sure to inspect all drip emitters and replace damaged or missing emitters. This is also a good time to make sure the locations of your emitters are keeping up with the growth of your canopies. As your trees grow, you should move your emitters away from the trunk and in line with the edge of the canopy to encourage wider root development. To help promote healthy plant growth, you should also schedule pruning during winter months and always apply best pruning practice for trees and shrubs. When pruning shrubs, avoid shearing into geometric shapes. For trees, implement the 3-cut method. You should remove branches that are dead, diseased, damaged, and crossed. But remember to never remove more than 20% of the canopy in a single pruning. For more information, you can find our landscape maintenance manual online. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something new. Remember to check out our other videos on how to reduce water use at home. Let's work together to conserve water at home and live more sustainable lives here in the beautiful Sonoran Desert.